Today we are going to discuss about question number 3, exercise 12.1, surface areas and volumes. Observe this question. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere. We are having one toy, and in this toy we are having cone and hemisphere. Cone is mounted on a hemisphere. Radius of a cone and radius of a hemisphere, both radius of a cone and radius of a hemisphere are same. Clear? So first we will write what things we are having, then we will find what total surface area of a toy. So in the question we are having a toy is in a form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere. So we are having given things. I am writing given radius of a cone oblique hemisphere. Radius of a cone or radius of a hemisphere equal to 3.5 centimeter. This one is given in the question. Clear? Now total height of a toy. Another thing we are having, total height of a toy. Total height of a toy equal to 15.5 centimeter. Two things we are having in a question. We require total surface area of a toy. Total surface area of a toy we want, and total surface area of a toy will be what? Curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a hemisphere. Total surface area of a total surface area of a toy equal to what? Curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a hemisphere. Clear? Hemisphere. Curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a hemisphere will be what? Total surface area of a toy. What about the formula? Curved surface area of a cone pi RL plus curved surface area of a hemisphere 2 pi r square. R is what? In which r is the radius of a cone and in which r is the radius of a hemisphere, and both are what? Same. Pi is the 22/7, but we require L. In the question we are not having L, but in a cone once we are having radius and height, then we can find L. In a cone this is what? Right triangle, so in which we apply Pythagoras theorem, then what we are getting? L square equal to r square plus h square, and this can be written as what? L equal to square root of r square plus h square. H is what? Height of a cone. Total height is what? 15.5 centimeter. Total height is what? 15.5 centimeter. From this one, once we subtract radius of a hemisphere, this is the height of a cone and this is what? Radius of a hemisphere. This is what? Radius of a hemisphere. So h minus r will, total height minus r will be h. So 15.5 centimeter is the total height minus radius of a hemisphere, then we are getting height of a cone. So where h is what? H equal to height of a cone, and r equal to, r is the radius of a cone. R is what? Radius of a cone, and finally L is what? Slant height. So curved surface area of a cone is having what? Slant height. So this can be written as phi into r into square root of r square plus h square. Yes or no? L can be written as this one, like this. And how we are getting? We understand well. Plus 2 pi r square. Now put the values only. Pi is what? 22 by 7. R is what? 3.5 into r square 3.5 square plus h is what? 12 square. H is what? Height of a cone. Height of a cone, how we are getting? Total height of a toy minus radius of a hemisphere. Then we are getting height of a cone is what? 12 centimeter. Plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r is what? Radius of a hemisphere 3.5 into 3.5. Now solve. Simple. Remove this one. 10 we are getting. 7 1 ja 7. 7 5 ja 35. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. 11 times it is going. Remove these points. In the denominator we are getting 100. So 7 1 ja 7. 7 5 ja 35. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. 0. 5 4 ja 20. 5 7 ja 5 7 ja 35. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. Only 11 into 7 remaining. Solve. We are getting 11 into square root of 3.5 square will be what? 3.5 into 3.5 we are getting 12.25 plus 12 square equal to what? 144 plus 11 into 7. Clear? This can be written as 11 into square root of, add both, 0.25, 5 plus 2 6, 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 1 5 and 1 156.25 plus 11 7 ja 77. This can be written as 11 into, what about the square root of this one? If you are not know, then you should be calculate. How we will solve? 156.25. Make the pair from the right side like this. 1 1 one time it is going 1. Solve this one. 2 is, sum will be 2. Now there will be 0. Next pair we are copying. 56 we will put 2 and 2. 2 times it is going. 2 times it is going. So we are getting 44 and there will be what? There will be 24. 2 plus 2 4 2. Clear? Now subtract what is remaining, 2 and 1. Now we will copy next term, next pair. Then we are getting 1225. Point will be there. 5 time it is going. 5 time it is going. Then we are getting 1225. 0 and 5 will be there. So its square root will be what? 12.5 plus 77. Now product both and then add 77. 11 5 ja 55. 5 is remaining. 11 2 ja 22 plus 5. 22 plus 5 will be what? 27. 2 is remaining. 11 1 ja 11. 11 plus 2 13 plus 77 equal to what? 0.5. 7 plus 7 14. 1 is remaining. 1 is remaining. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1 is remaining. 2. 214.5 centimeter square will be what? Total surface area of a toy. Observe again what we are doing in this question. A toy is in a form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. We are having one toy in which cone is mounted on a hemisphere. Radius of a cone and hemisphere are same. So and total height we are having 15.5 centimeter. We require curved surface, total surface area of a toy we require. So we will use total surface area of a toy will be what? Curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a hemisphere. Curved surface area means this part pi rl plus curved surface area of a hemisphere, this one, and its formula is 2 pi r square. Simple, we know well. Now r we are having, r is the radius of a cone, r is the radius of a hemisphere. Both things we are having and both are the same. But L we are not having. L is what? Slant height. Once we are having r and h, then how we will find the L? By using Pythagoras theorem. L square equal to r square plus h square, and L equal to square root of r square plus h square. R is the given in the question directly, but h we are not having. In the question we are having total height and radius. So once we subtract radius, why? In the hemisphere, center to this distance is what? Radius. So total height minus this one will be what? Height of a cone. So h we calculated, then we will put the values of r and h and solve, then we are getting L. So similarly we are putting and solving, then we are getting what? 214.5 centimeter square will be what? Total surface area of a toy. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.